Hey everybody, Corey, Precision 4x4 Center. Today we're going to do a walk around on a 84 to 88 USA or domestic style short bed. Show you some body lines, how the tailgate fits. Here we go. So here it is. This is the way they're delivered. We have to crate them up, to put them in a crate to ship them. Or if you're coming to get it, this is what it'll look like. So it's put in an epoxy primer, and then the front wall, underside, and inner is sprayed with just an acrylic flat rattle can. Easy to touch up, easy to fix. You can see the inner wall, double wall design. All the body lines are there. If you have the rock chip protectors, they will fit on, no problem at all. Same as the chrome moldings on the bottom, the rocker moldings, wheel well moldings, things like that. Those will all fit on. Tailgate, USA or domestic style tailgate, obviously, to match. This is not bolted in place. It has the hinges on, but no stays or catches or anything like that. So that's how it'll sit. You can see the body line. Also comes with the tailgate cover, the handle cover to cover on the handle. It's all pre-drilled on the tailgate, so it's ready to accept all your hardware. Bolts right in. You do have to drill the stays and catches on the truck. If you send us that, we'll set that all up for you and install all the hardware and stuff like that, but it's fairly simple to do. Fuel door doesn't come with it unless you request it. This is a steel door. I don't have the fiberglass doors for this one yet. We're going to be doing that here shortly. The Canadian-Japanese style we do, but so the hole is all there. It's all drilled and prepped and ready for to accept all your original hardware. Bolts right into place. And there it is. So I hope you liked what you see. Please like us, and if you have any questions, shoot me an email. We'll post the link below, and hopefully we can help you with your Toyota Rusty Box problem.